हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of research methods or research methodology. Today topic is null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. I think before the going to discuss the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis, it is necessary to know about the meaning of hypothesis. What is the hypothesis in research? Hypothesis is the questions of problem that give the tentative solutions. Without any questions, we can't give any answer, any solution to the problems. We formulate the hypothesis in the light of objective of research, and formulation the objective of research in the light of the problem of research. There are two types of hypothesis: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. A hypothesis is an appropriate explanation that relate to the set of facts that can be tested by certain further investigations. There are basically two types, namely null and alternative hypothesis. A research generally starts with a problem. Next, this hypothesis provide the researcher with some specific treatments and clarifications of the research problem. The criteria of research problem in the forms of null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis should be expressed as a relationship between two or more variables. The criteria are that the statement should be the one that expresses the relationship between two or more than two measurable variables. The null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis should carry clear implication for testing and started relations. The major differences between the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are the research problem are that the research problem are simple questions that cannot be tested. Their two hypotheses can be tested through the null hypothesis, and alternative hypotheses are required to recommended properly before the data collections and interpretations phase in the research. Well, fragmented hypotheses indicate the researcher has adequate knowledge in that particular area, in thus able to take the investigation further because they can use more systematic system. It gives the directions to the researcher on his her collection and interpretations of data. The null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are useful only if they state the expected relationship between variable or they are consistent with the existing body of knowledge. They should be expressed as simply and consistently as soon possible. They are useful if they have explanatory power. The purpose and importance of the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are that they provide an approximate descriptions of the phenomena. The purpose is to provide the researcher on an investigator with a relational statement that is directly tested in the research study. The purpose is to provide the framework for reporting the influences of the study. The purpose is to behave as working instrument of the theory. The purpose is to prove whether or not the test is supported, which is separate from the investigator's own value and decision. They also provide direction to the research. The null hypothesis is generally denoted as H naught. It is a state exact opposite of the investigator or an ex- experiment predict and expect. It is basically that means that it is opposite of alternative hypothesis. It is basically define the statement which states that there is no exact or actual relationship between the variables. The alternative hypotheses are generally denoted as H1. It makes a statement that suggests or revise the potential results or outcomes that an investigator or the researcher may expect. It has been categorized into two categories: directional alternative hypothesis and non-directional alternative hypothesis. The directional hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, is the kind that explains the direction of expected findings. And sometimes this type of alternative hypothesis is developed to examine the relationship among the variables rather than a comparison between the groups. The non-directional hypothesis is the kind that has definite direction of expected finding being specified. Thank you. In next session, we will discuss about inductive and deductive approach in research method. Thank you.